I'm Emily, and today I'll be making some resin letter keychains. So I'm going to start with some white resin and I'm going to divide it into 4 mixing cups. And then I'll make each cup a different color. So I'll start with some teal. Then some orange, then some green, and then some pink. And now that the colors are mixed, I'm going to select 2 colors in white to fill half of the mold with. And I'm going to put small dots of each color, alternating between the 3 colors. For this next one, I'm going to do white, teal, and green. And for the last one, I'm going to do white, pink, and purple. To make the purple, I just add some purple dye to the pink. After letting the first layer cure for about 8 hours, I'm going to mix up some pearly white resin to add the final layer. And after 24 hours, it is demolding time. Wow, it actually looks pretty good. It's actually different from what I was kind of going for because I kind of wanted the colors to have like, be like pretty much completely separate. And they kind of blended together a little bit. But I think the blendy look is also really cute. So I'm still happy with how they look. to make the regular old resin letters into resin letter keychains, I'll start by drilling a hole into each one with this little rotary tool. And then I'll screw in an eye screw. Next, I'll use a jump ring to connect the letter charm to the keychain part. Then I'll use another jump ring to connect the bead sequence I made to the keychain. I made a special one for each letter. And now I'll just repeat those steps for the rest of the keychains. And here they are all done. I'm very happy with how they turned out, and I think the little bead sequences on each one really add some extra personality to them. And I like the color combinations that I used too, especially the teal and orange, since that's my favorite color combination. And if you like these as well, consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Also, you can follow my Instagram, which is @eCraftingWorld. See you next time. Bye!